Okay, I guess the next thing to do is get the primary oil in there and check the clutch cable. See how that appears to be working. We have to readjust all this stuff down here too, so. Clutch is not adjusted correctly, obviously. Okay. Away we don't use anymore. Tools stack up, you can't get any work done around here. Everything in the way. Then I'm like that still. Okay, let's grab this thing over a little bit. We're on this side of the bike, we can work on it. Lean over a little bit, makes it easier to work on. Okay, so we need to figure out what the primary stuff is at. So I need to have to adjust it. Okay, where's my big screwdriver bit at around here? I guess this is my big one right here. Excuse me. This one's been ground to fit the case. Excuse me. All right. Take both of these off. Those are in there. Hopefully I got this where it needs to be. Okay, we got to unadjust this a little bit. Cable's floating around quite a bit. Okay. Okay, adjustable cable, you got to first get free play in it. Half a lever or so works good. So, you can see a little better. See a little bit of free play in here. We need a ton, but we need some. Okay, I go ahead and adjust it down here. Alright, get out of the way. Alright, where's my socket? 3/4 socket. Is it 13? 13. Nope. Where's this? The 3/4? That's the 3/4. That one goes back up in the back here. 13. Boom. Okay, we're going to unadjust this. Get your medium screwdriver. See how much free play you actually have. This nut has got issues. Looks like something's not right. Stuff out of my way. Something not quite right down in there. I'm not sure what it is. One thing I know for sure is the adjuster's too damn short. The mechanism is loose as a goose. Adjuster screws back. It ain't coming out. Shit. Pull the damn cover apart pretty soon. Not coming anymore. That screw should just come right out of there. It's obviously bad. Shit. Easier. Not really, but kinda. Nothing on my bike goes easy around here. Whew. Those threads are screwed by the time I get that out of there. Whew. It's a workout. There it is. Oh yeah. That's completely gone. I bet you I screwed up all them threads coming out of there. That screw is supposed to be about that long. They're going to help those out any while. Well, they're not happy. The whole mechanism is just laying in there loose. If I could pull the primary off. Okay. Either way, I'm going to have to go find a screw because this one's junk. Alright, I'm going to hunt around, see what I can find. Yeah, you can see all those threads. Really bad coming out. Alright. Alright, I'm back. Couldn't find anything used, so I found a new one. So that's how much is missing off of the new one. And then I have a big twin one, same size, and obviously that can be any length we want it to be. Alright, so first thing I do is find out how screwed up I did those threads. So I'm going to give me a 3/8 tap. I'll run that through the center of it. And then see if the thing actually is going to work or I got to pull that cover off. So we should just pull the damn cover off. Let's see, this black one here should be a fine thread. It is. Okay. Go ahead and see what we got going on in here. Just pull the damn thing off. I don't want to. Get the hell out of here. Don't see it happening though. There. I'll have to put a little oil on this thing for the hell of it. Okay. Should be all the way through. I very doubt that that thing's even near what it should be for assembly. I'm sure that thing is nowhere near where it should be at all. Not even remotely close. Okay, next thing is I gotta get this nut off of here. Get the same problem with the threads on this. They're screwed up. So I'm gonna put a die on that. Oh yeah, it's all mushed out. You can see it. Especially from all that torque I was doing on it. Alright, more work. I'll be back.